Hello student, today we are going to discuss chapter 5 education questions and answer. Question first, choose the right option. First, the scientist who developed the Param 8000 supercomputer was dash. Answer is Dr. Vijay Bhatkar. Second, the magazine Jeevan Shikshan is published by the dash. The answer is Vidya Pradhikaran. Third, the IIT is famous for education in the area of dash. The answer is engineering. Dash education refers to the schooling given to the children in the age group of 6 to 14. The answer is primary. Fifth, the dash schemes was started in 1995 to provide proper nourishment for the student. The answer is midday meal. Next, Dash became the first fully 100% literate state in 1991. The answer is Kerala. Dash started Anganwadis for Adivasi children at Bordi and Kosbad. The answer is Tarabai Modak. Third, Dash Commission recommended the 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern of education. The answer is Kothari. Next, the Maharashtra State Board of Secondary Higher Secondary Education publishes a periodical called Shikshan Sankraman. The United Nations had declared Dash as the International Year of Education. The answer is 1970. Next question, identify the wrong pair and write the correct ones. Individual and work. First, J.P. Naik contributed to the work of Kothari Commission. R.M. Dave, minimum level of learning. P. Parth Sarthi, Open University. Eknath Chitnis, Distance Education. Wrong pair is Eknath Chitnis, Distance Education. Corrected pair is Eknath Chitnis, Use of. Next, Institution and Work. IIM, Mold Skilled Managers. NID, Training in Industrial Design. ICMR, Management Research. CSIR, Scientific Research. The answer is wrong pair ICMR, Management Research, and corrected pair is ICMR, Medical Research. Next, Institution and Work. First, NCERT. The answer is Educational Research and Development. BARC, Research in the Field of Medicine. CDAC, Development for Advanced Computing. IIM, to more skilled managers. Wrong pair BARC, Research in the Field of Medicine, and the corrected pair is BARC, Research in the Field of Nuclear Physics. Next question, individual and work. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, first Education Minister of India. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Chairman of the University Education Commission. Professor Syed Raf, preparing draft of a common statewide curriculum for standard 1st to 7th. Anutai Wagh, Kosbad project. Next question is give full form. First, DPEP, District Primary Education Program. NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. SCERT, State Council of Educational Research and Training. ISRO, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. SITE, Satellite Institutional Television Experiment. IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. YCMOU, Yashwantrao Chauhan Maharashtra Open University, means Mukta Vidyapit. CSIR, Council of Scientists and Industrial Research. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. CDAC, Center for Development for Advanced Computing. BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology. IIM, Indian Institute of Management. NID, National Institute of Design. ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. AIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. IARI, Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Next question is write short notes. First question is Indira Gandhi National Open University. First point, Indira Gandhi National Open University was established on 20th September 1985. Second, the objective behind the establishment of the Open University was that the stream of education should make it way into every average household of the country. Third, those who are unable to get college education in the formal way are given concessions in eligibility criteria, age, and other conditions for admission to the IGNOU. Fourth, the IGNOU started audiovisual distance education program in 1990 through Akashvani Radio and Doordarshan. Fifth, it conducts more than 1,000 courses in various branches. Sixth, it provides facility for education through 58 centers in India and 41 outside India. Next question is Kothari Commission. First point, the Government of India adopted an education commission under the chairman Dr. D.S. Kothari in 1964. Second, the commission recommended education pattern of 10 plus 2 plus 3 for secondary, higher secondary and university education. This recommendation was implemented from 1972. Third, it also recommended an implementation of uniform national system of education that would include mother tongue, Hindi and English languages. Fourth, it recommended provides for continuing education, adult education, education by correspondence and open universities to make education and trickle down to the lowest rung of the society. Fifth, it suggested increased provisions for education in the budget for expenditure to be incurred on the education of a weaker that is scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. Next, Bhabha Atomic Center Research Center. First point, Government of India has established Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai. It conducts valuable research in nuclear physics, solid state physics, spectroscopy, chemical and life sciences. Third, it has also started a school to train scientists for setting up nuclear reactors. Next, Bal Bharati. First, the Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research was established in Pune 1927 January 1967. And the bureau is popularly known as the Bal Bharati. Third, the Bal Bharati prepares textbooks for primary education. Fourth, the textbooks are prepared in Marathi, Hindi, English, Urdu, Kannada, Sindhi, Gujarati and Telugu languages. Fifth, Bal Bharati publishes Kishore or monthly magazines for children. Next question. Give reasons the district primary education program was undertaken. First, removal of literacy was a serious challenge before the government of India, as the percentage of literacy was only 17% in 1951. Second, several remedial measures were taken for removal of literacy. Third, Operation Blackboard was undertaken in 1988 for the spread of primary education and improve educational standards. Fourth, in 1994, for universalization of primary education, the Government of India undertook the district primary education program. Next, the NCERT was established in 1961. First point, to help the Government of India is in matters related to school education. Second, to frame comprehensive policy and implement educational schemes. Third, to undertake educational research, training, extension, educational programs, reconstruction of school curriculum and textbooks. Fourth, to undertake these responsibilities, the Government of India established the National Council of Educational Research and Training on 1st September 1961. Next question, the farmer have benefited by the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. First point, Indian Agricultural Research Institute undertakes various activities for development of agriculture. Second, these activities include research, well equipped laboratories, soil science, agricultural science and economy, botany. Third, it undertakes research on wheat, pulses, oilseeds, vegetables and problems related to agriculture. Fourth, its most significant achievement has been fundamental research on method of harvesting multiple crops in a year. Fifth, it maintains the biggest agricultural related library in the country. Thus, the farmer have benefited by the work of the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Next question. Answer the following questions in detail. Which programs were included in Operation Blackboard? First point, the Government of India launched the Operation Blackboard in 1988 to spread primary education and improve the standard of education. Second, the government made available funds to improve the infrastructure of schools to fulfill minimum educational needs, that is include minimum two proper classroom and toilets, one of the two teacher to be female teacher. Next, blackboard, maps, laboratory apparatus, a small library, playground and the sports equipment. Third point, this scheme was expanded in 1994. The provision was made for one additional classroom and one additional teacher in schools having enrollment of 100 students. Priority was given to the girls school and schools having majority of students from the scheduled caste and tribes and the schools in the rural area. Next point, appointments of 50% female teachers was made binding on the state governments. This scheme gave momentum to primary education to India. Next question, what role do the agricultural school and colleges play in the development of agriculture? First point, agricultural schools teach basic agricultural techniques to their students. Second, they impart education about scientific technique and research in agricultural science. Third, they undertake soil testing and give advice about crops suitable for the soil of the farmer. Fourth, they are the link between lab and land and undertake agricultural extension work. Fifth, the extension officers of agricultural college give information about the good quality seeds, chemical fertilizers. They undertake demonstration experiments on the land of the farmers. 7, thus their guidance is helpful to the development of agriculture. Next question, describe the examples of progress that India has made in the field of medicine. First point, the Indian Council of Medicine Research was established in 1949. Second, ICMR has started 26 centers centers in the different part of the country on the various diseases. Third, their research has made it possible to control tuberculosis and leprosy. The fourth, the All India Institute of the Medical Science gave further impetus to advance education and research in medicine. Fifth, undergraduate and postgraduate education and research in most branches of medicine are available in the medical colleges. Sixth, AIMS provides medical treatment to common people at nominal rates. Seventh, it has started colleges and colleges for training in nursing and specialty centers for the treatment of disorder of health, brain and eyes. 8, the Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education undertakes treatment, research and education related to cancer. Next question, write about the National Institute of Design. First point, National Institute of Design was established at Ahmedabad in 1961 for imparting training in industrial designing. Second, the course in basic designs, graphic designs, product designs and visual communication were started in the year 1963-1964. It has prepared design for transistor, radio and calculator. Fourth, it has also designed logos of Indian Airlines and the State Bank of India. Student, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.